Welcome guys. So in this video we'll be talking about the TrendBTC project. Okay, so once you sign up on the project, once you click on the link, use your email to sign up. Alright, you can either use your email password, or you use your Google account, or you connect your S account to the project. Okay, so now once you are done, you click on this three dots, this three dash by your right hand corner, click on it. Okay, then you click on tasks. Right, click on tasks and then connect your S account to the project, to the platform. Click on it to connect your S account, then you authorize. Connected. Okay, so that's it. Get your link, click on get your link, copy your link, invite your friends and loved ones to the project. Okay, so you can study the platform very well. Alright, once you sign up, they're going to give you $1,000, okay, to trade on the platform, to predict. Alright, so click on dashboard. You can see your dashboard here. Alright, you can see what you have here. So click on settings. You see settings here. Click on settings. Click on settings. Then click on the setting option. You paste in your Solana address here. Okay, you can see here, paste in your Solana address, copy your Solana wallet address, then paste it here. Okay, for withdrawal. Alright, so let me go and copy my Solana wallet address to paste here. Alright, let me quickly go receive, copy the address. Alright, now you go back to the page again, go back to the normal page, and then you paste in the wallet address you just copied. Okay, paste in the address you copied, and then you click on save. Right, click on save profile. That's it. Okay, now you can now scroll. Okay, you complete the tasks here. Okay, complete all the tasks you are seeing here. Alright, like on S, click on it, load your S account, then you like the post. Okay, when you are done, you go back to the page and verify and claim. That's it. The same thing applies to the second task. The same process, verify and claim. Alright, now there is remaining one task there to complete. You have to like and comment everywhere on their S account. You can study what they are building for more understanding. Okay, so just like the post and then you reply. Okay, then you send. Done. Verify and claim. Alright, so this is how to participate on this platform. So make sure to predict, alright, on daily basis using their free token given to you, using the free funds given to you. Okay, let's go to home again. You predict up or down. Alright, so you'll be given $1,000 for free to test run their platform. Okay, so you are not using your real funds on this project. Okay, so just use the free funds given to you and participate. Either you can predict up or down. Alright, so that is how this particular project really works. It's a free platform, a free project, just participate and stay positioned for the airdrop that is coming. Okay, so do not miss out. Don't miss out, guys. Stay active, guys. So you can see if you can withdraw, you can withdraw your funds, but I don't think it's active yet. Yeah, I don't think it's active yet. Okay, so just participate and stay positioned for what is coming. Alright, so go through the dashboard, go through every single thing here for more understanding on how everything is being done. Okay, so when you are done completing the task, you claim the free ticket given to you. Alright, you'll be given a free ticket, claim the free ticket, and you are good. Okay, so position right away, position right away. It's 5 days, depending on where you're watching this video. Okay, it's 5 days to go, which is day is going to be on the 10th of October. Okay, so that's the listing date, and total supply is 1 billion total supply. Alright, which the community reward is about 48% to the community. Okay, on TGD. So guys, stay active on this platform. Alright, and now you can see the value of what I have here, about 250 tokens I have currently is $12. Okay, so guys, everything is being written here. The listing price is 0.05. That's the listing price. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, like, share to friends and loved ones. Okay, so that YouTube can also show this video to more people for them to benefit from the project. Okay, check the description of this video and join our Telegram channel for more exclusive and airdrop updates like this, so you don't miss out. Okay, so read through all these things and understand the project very well and stay positioned. All right, stay positioned, guys. Don't miss out. Don't forget to like and share to your friends and loved ones. Subscribe for more updates.